Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Edge AI, bringing intelligence directly to your device, running AI models on phones, cameras, or small devices, making them smart without needing an internet connection. Analogy: like having a small, smart brain directly inside your gadget, instead of it always calling home for answers. Imagine your smartphone, camera, or even a tiny sensor having its own small, smart brain directly inside it. That's Edge AI. Instead of sending all its information to a distant supercomputer, the cloud, over the internet to get answers, an Edge AI-powered device can process data and make decisions right where it is. Think of it like your gadget suddenly becoming locally smart, able to understand and react to its surroundings without needing to call home for help. Why bother putting AI directly on devices? Because it brings huge benefits. 1. Lightning speed, low latency. No internet means no waiting. Decisions are made instantly, crucial for things like self-driving cars or security cameras that need to react in milliseconds. It's like asking a question to a friend right next to you, rather than sending a letter across the country. 2. Enhanced privacy. Your data, like your face-for-face unlock or your voice commands, stays on your device. It's not uploaded to a server, reducing privacy concerns. This is like keeping your personal diary at home, rather than mailing it to a public library. 3. Works anywhere. Reliability. No internet? No problem. Edge AI functions perfectly offline, making devices useful in remote areas or during network outages. Think of a trusty flashlight that works even when the power's out. Let's clarify. Cloud AI. Traditional AI. The brain lives in a massive data center far away. Your device captures data and sends it over the internet to the cloud for processing. The cloud sends the answer back. Great for complex tasks, huge datasets, and when internet is stable. Edge AI, the brain, or at least a very smart, optimized part of it, lives inside your device. It processes data locally, ideal for real-time decisions, privacy-sensitive tasks, and offline operation. As a developer, you're choosing where the intelligence resides based on your application's needs. From a developer's perspective, it's a two-stage process. 1. Training. Cloud PC. First, we train a powerful AI model on a big computer or in the cloud using lots of data. This is like teaching a student everything they need to know in a well-equipped classroom. The model learns patterns, objects, voices, etc. 2. Deployment. Edge. Once trained, this powerful model is then shrunk down and optimized. We package it into a highly efficient, small file that can run on devices with limited computing power, like your phone's chip. This is like taking all the students' learned knowledge and putting it into a compact, specialized field guide they can carry anywhere. The device then uses this compact knowledge to make smart decisions on the spot. This is called inference. Edge AI is already all around us. Smartphones. Face unlock. Hey Google, Siri, voice commands. Often processed locally first. Object detection in your camera app. Autocorrect suggestions. Security cameras. Detecting if a moving object is a person, pet, or just a tree branch swaying, and only sending alerts for what matters. Drones. Avoiding obstacles in real time without internet. Smart appliances. A washing machine detecting an imbalance in its load, or a smart fridge identifying food items. As a developer, these are the types of intelligent, immediate interactions you can build. To build Edge AI applications, you won't need to reinvent the wheel. Many popular AI frameworks offer light versions specifically designed for edge devices. Tools like *TensorFlow Lite from Google and *PyTorch Mobile from Meta allow you to take your trained AI models, optimize them, and deploy them to platforms like Android, iOS, Raspberry Pi, or other embedded systems. You still write code in languages like Python for training, and often Swift, Kotlin, C++ for device integration, leveraging these specialized libraries to make your smart brain run efficiently on tiny hardware. While powerful, Edge AI isn't without its challenges. Devices have limited battery, memory, and processing power, so models need to be incredibly efficient. As a developer, optimizing model size and performance is key. The future, however, is bright. We'll see even more powerful edge hardware, new techniques to make AI models smaller without losing accuracy, and federated learning, where devices can collectively learn without ever sending private data to a central server. Expect smarter cars, smarter homes, and smarter everything, all thanks to intelligence delivered directly to the edge. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.